Hey buff dudes and girls, back in the kitchen with an excellent breakfast recipe. It's only gonna be 5 ingredients and it's called protein French toast. We're taking this from our newly released Buff Dudes cookbook, 200 pages, 100 plus recipes, link in description. Grab your copy, follow along. Let's do this. We're ready to begin the recipe, and as you can see, it's very simple. There's only 5 ingredients, and you're gonna have this ready to go in less than 5 minutes. So if you have an appetite, no worries, you're gonna be able to munch down on this in no time. We're gonna start by cracking the egg in a medium bowl. And then next we're gonna go ahead and add our other ingredients, save for the toast. We're gonna have the scoop of protein, that's 25 grams, the teaspoon of cinnamon, and the 1/4 cup of milk. And that's the milk of your choice. I'm using whole milk today, but you can use almond milk, you can use fat-free milk, really whatever milk you have in the house. And it doesn't matter the order you put any of this in. All that matters is once it's in, you beat it all together. So that's exactly what we're gonna do now. Make sure it's really nice and mixed. That's looking pretty good. That's all mixed together. Now we're almost already onto one of our final steps. That's gonna be, you're going to take your bread and you're gonna go ahead and dip it in each side. You're really gonna wanna soak these things as much as you can. You can see there's one side right there. I'm gonna go ahead and flip it. Really soak up as much of all those tasty ingredients as you can into the bread. And once we have that done, we're going to begin to toast these things. Yeah. We're gonna take our frying pan, we're putting on medium heat. I'm gonna put just a little bit of oil on the pan so we don't have any stickage. We've drowned the bread and now it's time to fry it. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna put it on the pan. Oh yeah. Hear it cooking, sounds good, and in a minute here it's gonna taste good. We're gonna cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes each side, flip it, and then we're gonna be good to go. Yeah. French toast is done. Now it's time to eat this thing. And it is smelling good. So there you go, protein French toast, less than 5 minutes, only 5 ingredients. Now it's time for the best part, giving it a shot, seeing how it tastes. And it tastes damn good. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. Let us know if you make it. And don't forget to check out our cookbook. Till next time, stay buff. Yeah.